strolling along Ma'among Street. And what do we see? Woohoo! Let's order? Okay, let's. We are all hungry again. What's that, Patty? We will order you and eat you? No, we will not. We are at Annalisa's and their specialty is crispy pata. Let's wait for our order. You only look and have pata, Patty, but that is not you, okay? See ya! Are you ready for it? Here it is. The crispy pata placed in a paper bag so that it's still crispy. Let's eat now! Patty with pata, meat, crispy pata. Let's eat. This is the before shot. Let's see how it looks like after. Did you enjoy the pata? Are you full already? How does it look like? Okay, we're finished.